So that this isn't about heaven and earth are full of his glory. That's the way most people think about this, right? What does that mean? My problem with this is that it never gets out of the first article. Oh yeah, the heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament shows his handiwork. I can see God's glory all around me in nature. That's why I like to golf and fish on Sunday mornings. That's my spiritual enrichment. And if this is in fact the second article, incarnational glory of God, we're on a whole different page. This is not the omnipresence of God. This is the incarnational real presence of God. And his glory is, now we're going to translate this transitively, is the filling of all the earth. In the Old Testament, the glory of God is shut up in a box behind a curtain, waiting to get out. Waiting to get out. And that's this whole sort of centripetal force of the Old Testament, drawing all men unto the incarnation of Christ. John picks this up. And in the Old Testament, we're all coming to Zion. But then what happens? Did you ever notice that the veil of the temple is torn from the top down? This wasn't some smart aleck sacristan trying to vandalize the temple. It's pretty hard to tear the veil from the top down. And now the kavod Yahweh goes out, right? And now the force is centrifugal, to fill all the earth. We get to be part of that. We get to be part of that. The glory of God is filling all. Thank God it even made it to Belleville or St. Louis or Wisconsin, right? That the glory of God is filling all the earth. And that's why we have the same thing going on every Sunday morning when we draw the people to Zion, celebrate the presence of God, and then let it go. Break it forth and go fill the earth. I mean, that would be a great addition to the benediction, I suppose. Go fill the earth. You are the body of Christ, after all. You are what you eat. And you are the body of Christ. Now go forth and fill all the earth.